Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Ramadan, and you know what? We should all strive to avoid idle talk in Ramadan. Idle talk is a sin. We all know it's the sin. It is mentioned, and you know what? Especially during Ramadan, our deeds are multiplied. So I urge each and every one of you, avoid idle talk. You know, if you want the goodness in the Akhirah, if you want the greatness in the Akhirah, if you want to be one of the highest in the beyond, avoid idle talk. Now I know it's hard, because ladies and gentlemen, we all idle talk. But each and every one of you, remember Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And you know what, to give you strength, watch my videos, watch my Ramadan special. If you want to know where it is, just go to the playlist section. There's a whole thing where it gives you all my Ramadan special videos. And you know what, remember Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and come to goodness.